My name is Casey Wilson, and I want to demonstrate how my apartment was burglarized last week. If you'll notice on my door, there's just a single deadbolt. Right now I can't get in, it's locked. So I take this, I put my key in, I unlock it like I'm heading to work. You'll notice that the tumbler is incredibly loose. There's no good stopping points in the door frame anywhere. So I turn, I lock it like I'm leaving. Now I took the key out, now even if I leave the tiniest angle in that door, all I need is a standard screwdriver. Take that, turn the rest of the way, and pop my deadbolt. No big deal. Even the tiniest increment, you see, I only angle just a hair. Turn, unlock it like nothing.